Well, good morning from day 44. We are making a little bit of a cold early morning hike to meet our trail angel, Heather, who's going to slack pack us today.
Yeah, we're so excited.
Yeah, which is awesome. So it's about a little after 6:30. Sun's starting to come up. Been hiking for a few minutes here and meeting her at 7. Yeah, so that'd be nice. Got about 21 and a half miles today to the Woods Hole Hostel, and that'll make that go a little bit quicker and a little bit lighter.
Oh yeah.
By not having full packs on. So we're gonna drop some of the gear, keep some of it, and hike with a half pack for the slack pack today, which will be nice. So thanks, Heather.
Yay! Woo-hoo! Look at all of our awesome goodies. Thank you, Heather. Yay! Our trail angel. I've got hot coffee, and it's so hot and amazing. We got crackers, donuts, birthday cake, Oreos, some paydays, a bunch of trail mix, Dr. Pepper. This is awesome.
Sweet.
So awesome. When we started out this morning, it was probably right about freezing. It was pretty cold, and the wind died down a little bit while we were getting ready, so that was nice. And then the whole time that we saw Heather, it stayed. It was probably about 33, 34 degrees. But the sun is warming up now. And I took my gloves off. I'm ready to take my raincoat off because it is getting nice and warm. It's like a little suspension bridge. Feels like a fun house. Pretty. I don't know if y'all at home could pick up the movement of that bridge, but that was like a ride.
All right, we're gonna head down and check out Dismal Falls. It's about a quarter mile down there. We're gonna go check it out.
Oh, I hear it.
Having a little lunch break here. Sweet's is filtering some water. And we're hanging out by the falls. Not a bad day.
On today's episode of What Do You See in the Tree? I see a bird. Kind of looks like a pelican, like I'm picturing some type of beach bird from my perspective. Makes me think of, is it Gully from Little Mermaid? That's what I mean. A seagull. Not a pelican. A seagull. I even said like a beach bird. Beach, aka sea, aka seagull. His name is Gully of the Sea. I call that hiker brain, y'all. Man, what a beautiful day. We are feeling good. We're about halfway through our miles. And the breeze feels nice and cool. The sun feels nice and warm. And we got some extra snackies. Thank you, Heather. Oh man, just feeling great. The mountain laurel, you could see how they're reaching from the edges, reaching over to the center to grab the sun. Nice little canopy for us walking through here.
Some days while you're hiking, you might go hours between water sources. And days like today, right down from us is the same water source we've been following for hours. So kind of depends on the location as to how much water you got. And it's crazy because a cool day like today, we don't need as much water, and we got it plenty. And it seems like on the warmer days, you're desperate for any kind of water source, and it takes you hours to get to it.
So when I was a kid growing up, and we'd just go on a little car ride through town, through the city with my mom, whenever we were driving like in the sunshine, she would drive slower, as long as there weren't cars around, and say, walking in the daytime. And then, as long as there weren't cars around, when it was shaded, she would drive faster and say, run in the nighttime, run in the nighttime, run in the nighttime. Then walking in the daytime. And y'all, I'm feeling that right now, because when we're in the sun, I want to slow down a little bit because it gets hot. And then when we're in the shade, especially with that breeze, man, the temp drops. And I want to move a little faster. So I'm thinking about my mom today. This tree's got all kinds of wisdom bumps. I kind of see a face right there. You see it? Hello. What's up?
All right, while we're walking up this little ridge line here, getting to kind of our high point of the day before we start making our way back down, thought I'd take a second to talk a little bit about our membership. We've reached that point we can have members now. We've already got several of you who have signed up to join us. You know, our content is always free, so you can watch us vlog our daily videos. Will never cost you anything. It's just free for you to watch and enjoy the journey along the way. But we offer some additional perks if you'd like to help and become a member of our channel. There's 3 different levels of cost, and there's different perks and benefits involved in each one of those levels of membership. And if you click on the join button, it's on our YouTube channel page. It'll take you and show you those options before you actually commit to it. But kind of 3 levels to give you some extra benefits, and helps us out along the way as well. So if you're interested in that, click that join button and sign up to be one of our paid members with those extra perks and benefits. And for those of you who already have, we appreciate it. It means the world to us. And if you don't, that's fine too, because we love for you joining us as subscribers along the journey. So thanks to all of you. Making our way down trail here. Oh, sweets, here you go. Got a little bench for you. Look at this. Ribble trail, water, and a little bit.
Keep going.
Little bench for you.
Less than 2 miles.
Yeah, you want to sit on the bench?
No bench.
You take a little nap right there. Look at there. Little baby bench. Just for you. All right, let's keep going. Someone changed the Ribble Trail to the Gribble Trail on that one.
Gribble.
Yeah. Water's 100 yards that way if you want to get some water for us. All right, we'll keep moving.
I was saying before how sometimes you approach part of the trail and it looks like it just drops. Well, here goes. It does just drop. If Thumbs Up wasn't wearing a hat, I'd see his bald head in all its glory. Sugar Run Gap. They made like a map so we see where to go. Beautiful property. Feels almost.
Yoga.
Yeah, yoga's at 4 o'clock. So we missed yoga. That is so cool. And check it out. Oh yeah. I heard the bell.
Thank you.
I heard the dinner bell and I smell the food from across the campus. Oh man.
We like to eat, so we like to cook. We're just gonna gather in the dining room.
They just put the garden to bed for the evening. This is a bunkhouse. There's 2 levels. Over yonder is the wash house, but the water is still off for the winter.